And welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We got a very nice ruko challenge lock today, sent all the way from Mr. Daz Evers, number 46. Absolute awesome guy. Check out the bitting on that. It does work absolutely fine. There we go. This is not my first pick at this. This is, I think, the third attempt on video. First time was like 40 minutes long. Then I cut it down a bit shorter, and I got a little bit better. There's nothing wrong with making long videos, but not 3-hour documentaries. It was taking far too long. But before we start, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. And if you like what's on my channel, please hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. As I make 2-3 videos per week for picking locks, to challenge locks, to lock tutorials, all types of lock stuff related, really. Check me out on Discord, Lock Sport Community, or come and join us as well at Lock Picking Lock Sport, UKLP. Absolute bunch of great forums, all of them. Well worth the visit. And don't forget, please check out Mr. Daz Evers, absolute awesome guy. Funny enough, we're going to use a Daz Evers pick on this. This is a really deep hook that he made, and this has become a really good tool, even though I've not had it very long, especially for this ruko and some other locks that I've had. That really do need a deep, to get under those pins, because if you look at that bitting, we have to get under that one there. And number 2, I have a suspicion there's some alien technology in that. It always is when it comes to Daz. Let me adjust this camera. Oh, bugger. Just nearly lost the phone entirely. I apologise. There we go. Slide it further along. That's the one. Do not want to be losing my phone. There we go. Hopefully that should stay okay. Right, let's get a bit. So top of the keyway, pry bar, and very deep hook from Mr. Daz Evers. And it's a Daz Evers lock, so hopefully we should do it. I've got click on 5, click on 3, nothing. I'll click on 1. Now 2, I have to get right under. It keeps giving me, keeps oversetting. So there's something fishy about number 2. I'll click on 3 again. Nothing on 4. Oh, a little click on 3 again. And a little bit of counter on 1. 3's dropped. Oh, we've got a bit of a false set going now. That was a click on 4. That's right, that was a click on 5. Get a bit of rotation again then. A bit more false set now. 5 is set. 4. 3. Possibly just overset that. Another click then. Oh, got a little bit of a false set. Got a deeper false set actually. What's going on? There we go. That's 5. Lost the false set. Second. Sorry about that, I had to pause for a second. Maybe someone wanted me for something. So, yes, it looks like we're gonna... Possibility we're gonna go for a reset. Don't want to... Because this has been a right bloody tricky thing. Daz for you though, he makes excellent challenge locks. He's crafty as well. No. I'll have to go for a reset. Let's try it from the beginning. So, there's one. Not touch. Ooh, not touch. I've got to go round 2. I think one's set. Nice, click off one again. Oh, we're open. Wow. Oh, excellent. Absolute awesome job. Wow. That was a relief, that was a really good, that was a relief. Right, give me a second, I've just locked it back up. I'll just pause while I get this clip off the back. It's one of them really well, it just spins round. Give me 1 second. Right, we've got that clip off. You can see it's one of these, it just goes round and round and round and round and round. So it takes ages to get off. Right, so we follow. Right, really careful. Yes. There we go. We are out. Let's have a look what we've got. Let's see. Do we all have to be picked? Ah, there we go. Haha. Mr. Daz, mate, you look at that. That was an overset trap. That's why he was being such a pain. Everything else had to be picked. Dodgy. Not dodgy, but funny. Knew there's something not right with number 2. But I'll just put that on there. Let's see if we can get a view down here a little bit better. Oh, the whole camera tipping. There we go. Right, let's have a look. So in number 1, up number 2 for... Oh, you start sneaky, that, mate. Wow. I'll show you that in a minute. That's sneaky. That's funny. That's number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Where's the tweezers? There they go. It is, isn't it? That's a pin and pin. Keep it. Now I've done these before, but not quite like that. Wow. Very sneaky, mate. Very sneaky and funny. Do apologise. Let's have a look what we've got in here. So we've got threading in 1, 2. Undercutting in... undercutting 3. Threading in 4. And threading in... Wait a minute. No, we've got an undercutting 5. Yep. Very cool. Right, let's have a look. What's hiding in here? Very slowly. Gotcha. I'm putting in the way they would touch the pins. So let's probably be upside down for it, but I've started to do it. Start to take the pins out. I've put the springs and the drivers now at the bottom. It just makes it a lot easier for me to do me a favour as well, Daz, one of them, that's third driver flipped out, so I don't know which way it went back in, but please just leave me a comment and let me know if that's the way it went. That one came out the right way. That's number 5. What? That is a tiny little bench. That's a tiny little spring. And there's another spring in there. He's got 2 springs. You got 2 springs in the back of it, Daz, mate. Right, no, that fifth, oh, there we go. That 5th spring didn't want to come out, but we got it, there we go. Oh, we've got double springs attached together on that one as well. Wow. And number 2, number 3, and number 4, Daz, please tell me if them drivers came out exactly the right way. They did go flicking out. Now, have you done anything to the Bible? Because it is a possibility you can get it tapped through there. Nope. Bible's all the same. Right, let's have a look. This is an absolute excellent job though on these pins, mate. Let's get a zoom in on them. Wow. So what we got is we got this key pin, another upside down. Well, there's your key pin with it's a nice spool with serrated on the end. Then we've got this key pin which has been very nicely drilled, and he's got a little extra pin, so it's a pin and pin key pin. Sneaky. The driver in number 2 is a key pin with some serrations. The next key pin has got some nice deep serrations, very clean cut. The driver is a very deep spool. Thought that was a floating wafer for a second then. Very deep spool with a very deep serration at the end. It's that's going to catch you out. Then number 2, we have got, yeah, if you roll it, it's a bit like a drunken spool, like a crankshaft. It's bigger on one side than it is on that side. The whole thing, that is really, really cool. It's got serration at the top, a deep one, very, very thin one at the bottom. Key pin, sorry. It's got a tapered end with some deep serrations in there. Yep. Yeah, I can get my pin tweezers right inside there. Number 5 has a very deep spool with a very nice serration, and another tapered end with the serrations in the key pin. We've got a steel spring, a short steel spring, we've got a copper spring, we've got 2 springs pushed together, we've got double spring, and then number 5 we've got a steel spring with, sorry about that, with a very tiny spring as well. That's an absolute awesome job, mate. Absolutely love them pins. What a work of art, mate. But please do me a favour, Daz, if you can, mate. Please tell me if this one and this one are the right way. I will not put this lot back together until you've commented and let me know. Absolute awesome job, mate. Love that lock. That lock is going to be sent off. Well, get the parcel ready. Foxy, mate, yours is almost complete. Potty 314, the ruko Daz lock he's going to you, plus with some others. But yeah, absolute excellent lock. Love picking that. Awesome job, Darren, mate. Absolute fantastic. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.